Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at the very basics on how to play a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. Here we have a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. This harmonica is in the key of C. Now we say 16 holes, even though when you look at it, it's obviously 32 holes. But we treat the holes that are on top of and underneath each other as if they were one hole. Now, unlike the diatonic harmonica, each hole is either a blow or a breathe, and will typically only produce one note. The hole that produces the lowest tone is hole number 1. The hole next to that is hole number 2. And so on. But you will notice that they didn't exactly make a scale. So let's take a look at each hole and see what the notes for each hole actually are. And here's a piano keyboard to help you visualize where we are on the major scale. As this is a tremolo harmonica in the key of C, C being the first note of the C major scale, it helps to know where all the C's are. You'll find them on holes 5 and 11. Likewise, if your tremolo is in a different key, holes 5 and 11 will always represent the first note for whatever key your harmonica is in. For example, if your 16-hole tremolo is in the key of G major, then holes 5 and 11 will always make the G sound. Likewise, if your 16-hole tremolo is in the key of D major, then holes 5 and 11 will make the D sound. So, as always, when learning a song on your 16-hole tremolo harmonica, no matter what key your harmonica is in, the numbers you blow into or breathe out from will always be the same. But for now, let's pretend that both of our harmonicas are in the key of C. Blowing into hole number 1 represents E. Breathing in through 2 produces A. Blowing into 3 produces G. Breathing in through 4, B. Blowing into 5, C. Breathing in through 6, D. Blowing into 7, E. Breathing in through 8, F. Blowing into 9, G. Breathing in through 10, A. Blowing into 11, C. Breathing in through 12, B. Blowing into 13, E. Breathing in through 14, D. Blowing into 15, G. And breathing in through 16, F. So, if you played them all in succession from holes number 1 through to 16, you would end up with something that sounds like this. But if you wanted to play the actual C major scale, or the scale that your harmonica is in, the tab would look something like this. Unfortunately, you can only play one complete scale on a tremolo with 16 holes, but you can still play a few extra notes on either side of your Cs. When you look closely at the tabs, you'll notice certain patterns become obvious. For example, the C, or the first note of the major scale, is always a blow. In fact, C, E, and G, or rather the first, third, and fifth notes of the major scale, are always blows. Whilst D, F, A, and B, or rather the second, fourth, sixth, and seventh notes of the major scale, are always breathes. When you play the major scale on your 16-hole tremolo harmonica, you will notice the distinct pattern of blow, breathe, blow, breathe, blow, breathe, breathe, blow as you move up the harmonica. And once you've mastered that, you're well on your way to learning some great tunes. So, now that you've got this far, why not check out my playlists for some awesome 16-hole tremolo lessons, or visit my tabs page by clicking the link in the description below. And if you're still looking for a new harmonica, why not check out my store on Amazon for some serious shopping inspiration. But most importantly, keep practicing, and until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.